Tumor-associated glycoprotein 72, TAG-72, is a high molecular weight glycoprotein complex that is primarily expressed on the surface of various cancer cells, particularly in epithelial tumors. TAG-72 is characterized by its extensive glycosylation, which contributes to its large size and its role as a tumor marker. Due to its restricted expression in normal tissues and high prevalence in certain cancers, TAG-72 has become a significant target for cancer diagnosis and therapy. Structure and expression of TAG-72. TAG-72 is a mucin-like glycoprotein that is heavily glycosylated, which means it has numerous carbohydrate, sugar, molecules attached to its protein backbone. Structure of TAG-72. Glycosylation. The extensive glycosylation of TAG-72 results in a large and heterogeneous molecule. The exact structure can vary depending on the type of cancer and the specific glycosylation enzymes. Mucin-like core. TAG-72 shares structural similarities with mucins, which are large, gel-forming glycoproteins found in mucus. Function of TAG-72. Cancer immunotherapy target. Monoclonal antibodies. TAG-72 has been targeted by monoclonal antibodies, such as CC49 and B72.3, which are designed to bind specifically to TAG-72 expressing tumor cells. These antibodies can be used for imaging, diagnosis, or as carriers for delivering cytotoxic agents directly to cancer cells. Radioimmunotherapy. In radioimmunotherapy, radiolabeled antibodies targeting TAG-72 are used to deliver radiation directly to tumor cells, minimizing damage to surrounding healthy tissue. Thyroglobulin, for instance, is a radiolabeled antibody targeting TAG-72 that has been explored in clinical trials. Clinical significance of TAG-72. Diagnostic marker, cancer screening. TAG-72 can be detected in blood tests, although its use as a screening tool is limited by its relatively low specificity compared to other tumor markers. Tissue staining. Immunohistochemical staining for TAG-72 is used to identify tumor cells in tissue samples, aiding in the diagnosis of cancers like colorectal, ovarian, and gastric cancers. Antibody-based therapies. TAG-72 is a target for antibody-based therapies aimed at delivering cytotoxic agents, such as chemotherapy drugs or radioactive isotopes, directly to tumor cells. Alpha Life Tech can provide anatumomab biosimilar, anatumomab mafenitox biosimilar, CC49 biosimilar, menretumomab biosimilar, satumomab biosimilar, and other biosimilar antibodies. www.alpha-lifetech.com. info@alphalifitech.com